What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enable the Modal pop-ups on WordPress. So there are many ways to do so. Probably the easiest is using a plugin. You can do so with custom code as well if you want to. However, I'll show you how to do it with a plugin. All you need to do is go to plugins right here, click on add new plugin, and here just simply search for pop-up. And this is the one you want to use, and I did search for pop-up maker in order for this to appear, the pop-up maker responsive pop-ups. Okay, install now. Then activate. Now here go to dashboard, or just refresh the page, and you should see the pop-up maker settings right here. Click on them. So all you need to do is to click here to create a pop-up maker, then get an API, paste here. Let's view the templates here. There are some templates that you can use, and you can view more templates as well. So here you get to the pop-up maker webpage where you can register or create an account, and from here you can connect your API to the plugin and view all the templates right from within WordPress. And then once you select one or choose one that you like, here I can view this one for example, and here it is how it looks like. Okay, let's close it. Let's open it once again. Okay, and if you want to add it, you can add it to the plugin and it'll be added to your WordPress website with the website editor.